How's it going, guys? Got another video coming at you. This one is a comment request. This one's coming from Pro Ghost. Pro Ghost wants to know, could you do something like a heartbeat monitor? That would be dope. Yeah, man, I can do something like a heartbeat monitor, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So let's go. Alright, Ghost, so here we are at Razer Synapse, and we have a blank slate keyboard right here, okay? So I'm going to do something to make the background a little bit flashy, just because I don't like basic static stuff in my design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the background here a really light gray, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. It brings a little bit of light to your keyboard, not a lot, just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to you don't have to do this, but I'm going to add some starlights into my background as well. So I'm going to select all my keys here. I'm going to choose a solid color, and I'm going to hit actually I'm going to try using a gradient color here, and I'm going to go with white in the middle, a white to black. Yes, and I'm going to slow it down a little bit because I don't want it to overpower. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, so now you see I have a dark-ish looking background. I got some starlights going on. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my heartbeat monitor. And the idea that I'm looking at right now, guys, is this one right here. So I want that red, and I'm kind of looking at a heart rate monitor going like this, something like this. Mine is going to look a little bit different. You won't see the spikes moving to the left. The spikes are going to be in the same spot. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and select my keys that I'm going to add my spikes on. I'm going to go with this. This is going to be my flat line right here, just because it goes all the way across the keyboard. I'm just going to start coming across here, add a little one here, a little spike, and we'll add one that's a bit bigger here. Maybe come up like this, something like that. Okay, so we got that. We're going to flat line out, and then we're going to do a really big spike here. Do something like that. Kind of let it flat line out a little bit. We're gonna spike it up again, something like this, and just let it flat line out again, something like that. So we got our wave. We're gonna go ahead and choose our color. All right, so you guys are gonna want to set up a two-tone gradient with red on the right, okay, and black on the left. Something like this, and I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I might even make my black a little bit stronger. Yeah, let's do that. So that looks good. I'm going to slow the rate down a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. I like 7. 7 looks good to me. Yeah, I'm going to be okay with that. Everything else looks good. I'm going to hit save. So this is what we got, guys. We got our heart rate going down the middle of our keyboard, just like that. And this is what it's going to look like if you take the starlights out, if you don't add starlights into your keyboard. Hit save. And this is what the keyboard is going to look like without the background color at all. Be perfectly honest, after making all of them, I kind of like the way it looks with just the wave, no static and no starlights. So against what I normally do, I try and put a little extra into it. This time I didn't quite like that as much. So, like I said before in my previous videos, sometimes you got to play around with it to get what you like. And to me, the plain Jane, just regular wave works for me. Ghost, hopefully this video helps you get the heartbeat monitor you've always wanted, the heartbeat monitor of your hopes and dreams. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button below if you want to see more videos like this one. Please feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any ideas in mind of keyboard lighting that you'd like to see on your keyboard. I'd be more than happy to give it a try. You can always contact me on my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, and I'm on Twitch 4 nights a week. You can always catch me there Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday nights. That's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.